In this video, I will show you how to restrict a group chat in Facebook Messenger. So let's jump straight into it. Of course, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to facebook.com and log into your account. Next, come up to the Messenger icon up in the top right hand corner, give this a click to open up your Messenger, and then you want to go ahead and open up the group you want to restrict. So what's going to happen, this is going to come up in a pop-up window down here. Now what you want to do is actually hover over the icon where it says chat settings, click onto this to bring up a menu, and then you want to click onto open in Messenger. And what it's going to do, this is going to open up this conversation in Messenger. Now to actually go ahead and restrict this, what you want to do is come to the right hand side, you're going to have some options over here, and what you want to do is click where it says privacy and support, and then go ahead and click the mute notifications option. So there's not currently an option to restrict, however this basically does the same thing. What it's going to do is of course stop any notifications from coming through. So you can choose how long you want to mute the conversation, so whether that's for 15 minutes, an hour, 8 hours, 24 hours, or until you turn it back on. So you just want to go ahead and choose the option and then press the blue mute button to confirm. And you can see for my example, I chose for 15 minutes, so it's going to tell me how long this chat group is restricted for. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.